Alright, so this is what I came up with to get my truck in and out of the garage to work on while we work on the motor. It's pretty much strapped right here to the bumper. We got a cable that goes right here. These are like 12-inch wedge anchors. They go into the step up with a pulley. And it goes through here. This is the little channel that I made that I weigh down the cable so that it sits in it with this brick while the tires are getting ready to roll over. Just the front passenger tire goes over. These are little step ups here so that the winch doesn't have to work so hard. And then we have a handy dandy ATV winch hooked up to a battery that at some point, and I put it on my hitch with a couple bolts and a handy dandy license plate holding the roller guides on there, and an old battery. And I guess if I wanted to make this semi-permanent, I could put a little 12-volt little adapter right there, which would come in handy for other things as well. And I could do it. So I'm gonna give a little demonstration now, hopefully with no hiccups, of how it goes back in. Obviously the out is the easy part. So here we go. Alright, I made it over the lip. Alright, and right around this time here, I come in here, pick up my brick, make sure the cable's in the valley there, and like I said, this is only for it to clear the cable so that it doesn't run over its own cable and I don't bind it. The winch could probably handle it, but you know, why put the extra strain on the winch, right? Now I can get the winch, the brick out of the way, because the back tire doesn't make it that far. Two people would be easier, but it's really not that big of a deal now. And that's it. The baby's in the garage. Alright guys, hope this works out for somebody. Also, worked out pretty good. And I'll give you a little peek of what I got going on here. I did an engine swap, and I'm waiting on the next project is to get the mounting bolts ready to go. So the motor mounts, I mean. So I still have it kind of hooked up still. So, And then while I'm waiting on that, I'm kind of messing around with some floor panel patches and stuff, little roof dibs and stuff that I'm gonna MIG weld and get it all sealed up. Alright guys, hope you enjoy, and hope this works out for somebody else as well that's having the same issue about getting their truck in and out of their garage by themselves. Good luck. Cheers.